Hello CraftDee family, and welcome to another video by She's So CraftDee. It's shopping Sunday and we are headed to our favorite store, the Dollar Tree, to see all the new arrivals that were just stocked on the shelves. Now I love sharing all the new finds with you guys so you know what to look out for on your next shopping trip. So let's dive in. Now I'm starting off in stationery, and look, I found a new piece to this metal set that goes on your desk, and the copper and the gold, the missing piece, which is the tape dispenser. You guys, these pieces are so nice and high-end looking. I especially love this rose gold copper color. This is the missing piece to the collection I featured a few weeks ago. On to the crafting section. I did find the nesting wood boxes. These come in 3 different sizes. Great for DIYs. I love all of these solid wood pieces to craft with. They're so convenient and they're great for staining and painting. Another item that I see are these little containers. Now these can be used for your desk or for decorating. I saw these a few years ago, but I'm so glad to see that they are now back. These are also another one of those solid wood pieces that would be gorgeous with a beautiful color stain. And speaking of wood, look what else has popped back up at my Dollar Tree. These are the packs of wood pieces. Now each one of these come with a 6-piece count package, which is an amazing deal for $125. Now we all know that Dollar Tree has other woodcut pieces, and I'm not such a big fan of these, and I'm going to tell you guys why. You could get larger pieces of these at a big box hardware store like Lowe's or Home Depot and cut them down to size for a fraction of the cost. Now if you're looking for convenience and like these pieces already cut without the hassle, you can pay the $125 a piece, but you're going to get a bigger bang for your buck for these size pieces if you get a large piece. Now the pieces that I buy are like furring strips and other small pieces, and they range from anywhere from $1 and change up to $4 a piece for an 8-foot long piece. So imagine how far your buck can go. Other items in the craft section, look at these. These are the Crafter Square flowers. Now these are paper flowers. I've never seen these before, and they come in this beautiful kind of umber color and white. I've shown the little diamond dot painting pieces, but I've never seen the keychains. So if you're looking for a smaller scale project, possibly to give as an awesome gift, you could choose from these. I saw 3 different keychain styles in this collection. In the painting, they have 3D fabric paint. I've never seen this at my Dollar Tree store. Now, they just started putting these on the shelf at my store, so I'm sure that they have a wider selection of colors than what I'm showing you here, but I did want to let you know that these are now available. In the home decor, look what I spotted. They have this iridescent, holographic looking flower in this clear dome. I really think that it's pretty, but I did notice that it had light. So when I turned it on, look at the colors. The color is changing through several cycles, which makes it even much better a deal at $125. Now, I have featured several plate collections, but I did come across this one. Now, even though this is white, it is touched with a slight elegance of gold trim around the edge. So if you're looking for something less loud, not as Christmassy, and you want something just pure and elegant, and then you can offset it with your own decor, check out this set. It's so gorgeous in its simplicity. In the hardware section, I found these new light bulbs. So these are 5-watt LED color changing light bulbs. Now compared to other stores, you're not going to find this deal for $125. This one is so fun for parties. Now also in the hardware section, I came across an automotive section with all of these air fresheners. Now originally these Hot Wheels ones caught my attention because I thought they were toys, but they're air fresheners. And then I found this Sense brand. Now this is more of a more inconspicuous type of air freshener. If you want to add that to your vehicle, that's nice. And here, this is one I couldn't pass up. These are those gunk getters, and they snatch all of those crumbs into those small cracks and crevices of your vehicle. You know, there's going to be crumbs everywhere, and not your vacuum is not going to be able to get to all of them. So these are great to have on hand. Here's another one by the Scents brand. These are more of the clip-on vent type of scents. They had these in like a beige, and then here's some in other different scents that you can choose from. And I'm sure that there's more out there, but these are the ones that my store had. Now in the makeup section, you guys keep your eye out for this. So they have all these name brand makeups packaged in generic packaging. You could walk by them and not realize it. So this one says I, but it has Covergirl eyeshadow in it. Now here's a package that just says lipstick, but when you look at the bottom, this is a Maybelline brand lipstick. So you can make a score on all of these name brand makeups just by reading the product that's inside. So here's some that says just lip, and these end up being Covergirl type of lip glosses. These are such a really great deal for $125. Now in this package, it looks generic, but it ends up being an Almay eyeshadow. I thought these were such a great deal. Now you could grab these up for gift baskets or gifts, add to your makeup collection. Really great deal. And they even have packages that say foundation. This is a Maybelline brand of foundation in different colors. Here's one that says blush, and this ends up being a Rimmel Paris brand. So you could choose that one as well. Here's another one labeled Eye, and this is eyeshadow. This is Loreal. So keep a lookout for these. You can get some nice name brand makeups at the Dollar Tree for only a fraction of the price. Now here's some hair color. I've never seen hair color at the Dollar Tree, so I wanted to show you that that is now available. Also in the care section, they have more copper care items. So I've shown the ankle support and the leg support, but now they even have knee support pieces. Definitely one to grab. Now along with the knee support, they did have elbow support. So it seems like they're concentrating more on joint support in this line. So grab those. I think that these are an like a knockoff name brand, but definitely grab them if you want some of those types of items. Also in the healthcare section, they have this pill sorter. I've seen tons of different styles of these, but I thought this one was neat because it's stackable and it has day and night sections inside. So definitely one to get if you want to sort your medications for the day. Now in the loofahs, they do have so many different types of loofahs and sponge, but I came across this one and it was super big. So I saw that this was an Ideal Bath brand, and this is a jumbo size loofah. It's really thick and really sturdy, better than the regular Dollar Tree ones that I've seen. And in comparison, you could see that it is nearly double the size of a Dollar Tree brand one. So definitely one you want to grab. Now in the food section, I had to sneak by. Look at these little bottles of Nutella. Now the $125 price for them is a little pricey, but these are the perfect size for gift baskets and mug gifts. So definitely grab one to just add to the bunch. And also in the food section, I saw two new flavors of the super coffee, the caramel waffle, and the cinnamon roll. These are a great deal at Dollar Tree. If you're still on the hunt for Friends socks, I did come across one more this week. This one features the famous Smelly Cat. If you watch Friends, you know what I'm talking about. So definitely be on the lookout for these. So now I'm going to go over to the Christmas section to see what I can find. First thing that spotted my eye, look. They have these little votive candles, or actually these are the small pillar candles, and they have a sweater trim on them. I thought that that was so neat and so beautiful. They do have these too. These are the beads of packs of berries that they have. You can get them in a large pack, unfrosted or frosted. So I love that they have a variety of these to use in your crafts. They also have these metal sleighs. I thought that these are really cute. I saw them in red, kind of like a gold color, and a silver. So be on the lookout for those to hold your candles. Now, I thought I had seen all of the signs at the Dollar Tree, but now they have a new shipment that just showed up in my Dollar Tree, and I am here for it. I think that these are so beautiful. I always love the signs at the Dollar Tree, but especially these. I love seeing signs that look like me and my family. So thank you, Dollar Tree, for being diverse in your types of decor. I love it. Now, for signs, you can take it as is. They are gorgeous, but you can also flip these over to make so many different DIYs, and I do this all all the time with signs. So I love this one. Look at Santa on his sleigh having the time of his life. They have so many different ones that you can choose from, and you can also use them in other projects. Some other signs that I saw are these gnomes. Look how cute these are. So these are the yard stake gnomes. I saw them in like a red and blue color. They also have this Santa in a truck, and look, he's got the gingerbread man in the back. Gingerbread seems to be more prominent in Christmas now. I haven't seen it as much as I've seen it this year, so that's really fun. If you're looking for drinkware, look at these little whiskey glasses, making spirits bright. I think that one is really nice. And here's some shot glasses that they have. They say ho, ho, ho. Then they have this one here, jingle juice. I think that's hilarious. And then they have elf-sized shot glasses. Here's another glass that you can use, and this one has the Christmas cheer on there. I think that one is really pretty. If you're looking for stemless type of wine glasses for Christmas, here's some with some cute little elves on it. And then they have this one I thought was cute. Forget the elf. I'd rather have wine on the shelf. I thought that was hilarious. Look at these gift boxes. I think these are really pretty. So they come more in a natural rustic type of look. I love that the lids come with the twine already tied on top of them for that extra little touch. And the design on these is so nice. These remind me of something you would find at the Hobby Lobby or something similar, but they're only $1.25 at the Dollar Tree, and they have several different sizes and styles to choose from. We always see socks every year for the holidays, but check these out. These are knee-high socks. I'm not sure if I've ever seen these before. So they have all kinds of different designs on these. I love this one with the Santa belt on them. Really cute. And of course, they have to have Santa himself with his ho, ho, ho. And then they have this one that's more of a pet themed that says, I believe in Santa paws. How cute is that? So now we're going to walk over to the Dollar Tree Plus, and I did see a few items that I wanted to show you, and that are these wood layered ornaments. This is a 12-pack of double layered ornaments for $3. Really good deal. I love that these are the DIY style. You can paint or decorate them however you want. A great deal for 12 of these. And if you're getting ready to pull out your tree for the holidays and you're looking for decor, they have these large packs of bulbs with small and large. These are only $5. I love the color combinations that they came up with, whether you want more traditional, retro, or want to go for the silver and blue. I think that is such a good deal for this box. They have this large 30 count box as well. This has assorted different styles of bulbs in there in the same size, but they do have coordinating collections that you can choose from. If you're making a wreath or a DIY, you want a large thing of bulbs for $5. This is a great deal. Another thing that I spotted that I haven't seen before is this pre-lit garland at the Dollar Tree. Now this one here is 12 feet long and it's multicolors, great to use for banisters and things like that. You can also get it with the clear lights if you prefer. I showed some stitch and weft pieces here. These are the 4-piece set for the kitchen in the red and white, and here's a more neutral color. And then finally, the craft things. I found some new ceramic things. They have the ceramic cube for $3. And then they have this rectangular piece on the side you could definitely paint or decorate with. You guys, don't forget to check out the craft section in the plus area. You always find some really neat things at a great price. Now, if you missed my shopping video last week featuring lots of amazing finds at the Dollar Tree and Family Dollar, check it out now by clicking the link in the upper right-hand corner of this video, or click the link provided in the description box below. Now, I do hope you guys enjoyed coming along with me on this shopping trip today, and if you want to see what I create with my Dollar Tree supplies, you can check out my Dollar Tree Crafts playlist with hundreds of projects that will inspire you to get creative too. Now, before I go, I just wanted to say thank you for sticking around to the end. Now, a few videos ago, I found these metal tier trays for Christmas that are such an amazing deal. Now, I have picked up a white snowflake, a green Christmas tree, and a red Christmas tree design to give away. Now, the winner will have a choice of one of these awesome trays. Now, to enter this giveaway, Just leave a comment below answering this question. What were your top 3 favorite items in this video? Now, this contest closes on Tuesday, November 14th at 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, so be sure to comment before this time. Now, most importantly, make sure you are subscribed and have your notifications turned on so you won't miss the notification if your comment is selected as the winner. Now, you can also check back on Wednesday, November 15th to see if you are selected by checking the top pinned comment in the comment section, and I'll also respond directly to your comment if you are the winner. Now, it's important to know that this contest is not sponsored by YouTube, and we are solely responsible for conducting the contest and delivering the prize to the winner. So please be sure to read the full list of rules in the description box below to make sure you meet all of the requirements for a valid entry. I wish each and every one of you good luck. Now listen, if you love shopping at Dollar Tree as much as I do, let me know by giving this video a thumbs up and leave me a comment letting me know your most exciting find at Dollar Tree this week. Make sure you don't miss a video by subscribing and hit that bell to be notified when we go live. It doesn't cost a thing. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you all next time.